Okay, here's the next one, and I got to do this one a little different. I have to go in through the mic because I have to put in my own mic in this one. And it's the mic is forced with the headset combo. Anyway, I'll talk through that in a second. So it's a Shenzhen company, so it's a Chinese company. But what's cool about this is it's a very simple design, small, and you can see this one's a little more expensive at $40. The downside of this is that it's actually only just a pitch changer, so it does the male, female, baby concept. But I'll talk you through it if that's something that interests you. So this is what it looks like out of the box when I open mine. That might be a part number on there or a model number, but it's not on the device itself. And it wasn't on the website, I don't recall. But when you plug it in your computer, it actually says MV/AP82X audio effect. So that's not in this picture, but whatever. So it comes with an instruction manual, the device, and I got those two cables, which are the audio cables and the charging cable. But it implies that it's got a headset included, which mine did not come with a headset for some reason. So whatever. So I pulled one from something else. Yeah, it's got a little instruction book, whatever. But it's got the connections there, and you can connect it to your computer. So you can charge it from your computer and you can connect it to it. And I think I mentioned about when you connect it, it actually gives you this name. It seems to be a model number. The challenge with plugging only into a headset, because I like the other ones because typically they'll have a mic in and it'll have a headset, and then I use the headset as the speakers out. But this only has one jack and it's called headset, so I had to do my mic and my speakers through there. So that's why I'm actually having to plug into the computer and go through the computer through the audio out, which you go into your phone or your game console or whatever. But those you have to do via the devices. That's like the live port on the i9. So if you wanted to actually go into the headset portion, you'd need to make sure you had some kind of audio splitter where you can bring your mic directly into the splitter, and then another out into this, which I'm realizing I actually have one upstairs, but whatever. I'm just doing it this way for now. So this works. So let's walk through this. I think I showed you both pictures. Yeah, I think I did. Anyway, so it's very simple to use. You can go through mode and it will jump between these. But it starts on origin, which means original. And then that's, of course, the power button. It's a pretty intuitive value. Of course, I've got it maxed out. I thought I had, now it's beep. It goes beep, beep. I don't know if you heard that, but it's nice that it actually gives you feedback on one of the previous one, the white one that I did, which was a no-name model. It did not have any kind of indication that, hey, you're at the end. It's just you can press it indefinitely or, whatever. Okay, so these are just basically your up-down. So origin is considered the middle because I'm in the middle, and then either I can go higher or I can go lower. So if I go higher, then it will just basically go female to baby. And if I go lower, it'll go back to origin and then go down through the male options and into deep. So I'll just go one way.
Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll cover up my mouth so you can only hear. Oh, yeah, I think you're only getting it through this anyway. So, okay, female voice, female voice. Okay, that one sounds pretty good. Wow, okay, yeah, and I've got a pretty deep voice, so let's see. It's still getting me higher and higher. Okay, now I'm a baby? Yeah, now I'm a baby. Okay, so I'm still a baby, and I'm a baby. And, oh my golly, okay, I'm the smallest baby possible because it now beeped. Okay, now, so if I go back the other way, baby, female.
Okay, now I'm back to me. Okay, now if I keep going this way, it's like I said, one way is going higher in frequency, the other one's going down.
And then I can go down, and now I'm a male, and I'm a deeper male, and I'm an even deeper male, and I'm getting creepy deepy. I'm a deeper male. Am I down to deep yet? Nope. Still another deep. Still another. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's still there. There's a couple levels of deep. Oh, this is pretty. It's probably hard to understand me by now. I will try to speak slower. And it's still going down, and there we go.
That was the bottom. I wasn't going to try and talk on that last one because I imagine you probably might not have been able to understand me, but it should be fine for anybody who's got a non-super deep voice. Anyway, that's really kind of it. You can you don't have to go through these and hit every level. I just wanted to do it because it's a nice intuitive way to be like original. It's like you're somewhere in the middle. You're either male or female or whatever. You got to pitch in the middle, and then you can go higher or lower. So that's cool. And that it just makes it easier. Yeah, baby would just be higher than female, whatever. But then you can just skip through.
By doing the mode
As
Well, okay, that's it. If it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Take care.